Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix offline mode error on Ubisoft. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and search for run. And once you've done that, simply search for app data, just like that. And then click on local and then search for Ubisoft Connect right over here. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply open Ubisoft Game Launcher, and on this setting tab, simply go ahead and open it. So let me just go ahead and open it right over here. And once you've done that, scroll all the way down, and then as you can see, there's this offline mode which says false. You can make it true if you want to have it on offline. And once you've made it true, just right click and then click on properties and just make it read only and click on apply, right? So that Ubisoft doesn't write over it. So that is about it. If you want it online, you just make it to false right there, right? And that is about it. So if that is something that hasn't fixed your problem, what you can do is again go into run and search for exclamation or percentage app data percentage. So just like that, and click on OK. And finally, once you've done that, this is the folder that's gonna go ahead and open. Let me just go ahead and write it again because it didn't work on my end. There you go. Now it just worked. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for the Ubisoft folder. So let me just go ahead and do that. So as you can see, it's not here for me. However, you're going to have it because there's going to be a lot of cache for you. So simply delete the folder for Ubisoft, which is going to be here for you. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.